Ladies and gentlemen, the protesters of America and other part of the world, they have given a wake-up call, that is the lives of black matter. There is an organization who are working upon Black Lives Matter for a long time. But on the death of George Floyd by the police, putting the knee on his neck and killed him, the video is very self-spoken. There is no doubt to any of the person who has seen that video that it is a brutal murder on the part of the police. Rather, I will say it is a terrorism role played by the police. Thereafter, the protesters came on the streets, protested, and laid down their issues. Number one, Black Lives Matter. Number two, change. Number three, race. Number four, police brutality. My dear friends, all these issues are well respectable. Every human being in the world will respect these demands. And the protest is human nature, that when the authorities are not listening to their voices, then they came on the road. And at that stage, when the coronavirus pandemic is at the spike, thousands of people has been died from this virus, but the people are on the street. There should be a reason of it. Everybody has to recognize it, that why the people are on the street. Their lives are not important, their lives are not matter. However, the question remains the same. I will refer to the president. On last night, he has passed the order. I will read the contents specifically related to this protest. Prior to that, I will say whether after this executive order, the protest is over or it will be continued. My humble submission is the President Trump looked and traced the situation which is going on the streets. So let's see what he has executed. President Trump signed an executive order aimed at tracking misconduct by law enforcers and creating incentives to department to improve their practices. Further, this order also rejects the call to defund the police that have granted from within the nationwide protest movement. The protesters were pressing their fight against police brutality and racism, as I have before said. On the contrary to that, Trump has focused on the violence seen at some demonstration and aggressiveness demanded law and order in order to ensure peace and dignity and equality of all Americans. But at this stage, he has avoided the peaceful protest of the black Americans with their children are as on the street for raising their voices. He further pressed the grant of federal money for upgrading the standards on training and will create a database to track individual cops on metrics, such as excessive use of force complaints which will be shared between departments. This order would also give department incentives to resolve training professionals such as social workmen to respond the cause for certain non-violent issues, including mental health, drug and addiction, and homeless. The goal of this to bring police closer together with the communities. He also pretend at this stage that the committee has been formed in order to resolve the issues in between the protesters was raised and for the purpose of legislation. My humble submission would be, whatever the situation may be, it is an executive order in order to escape the skin of the president. He has not bothered about the racism, whether it exists or not, whether the people has getting the fundamental rights, which call themselves black. But nothing is there. It shows that the issue of racism remains as it was for the last many decades. The people are frustrated. They are deprived class. They are not the equal rights to be exercised in the society and the community. They have looked like a danger. What is this? It is not a creation of a human being. It is a neglection on the part of the state. The people will think over it. They will give a light and join me if I can make more and more messages to convey their goals to the other community of the world. Thank you.